Imagine transforming your home's exterior with a stunning new garage door from D&L Garage Doors. Just ask yourself, is it time for a new garage door? Does the look of my home is in need of a makeover? If so, look no further. Our expert team can help and is ready to bring your vision to life, effortlessly enhancing both style and functionality. That's what we do best. Explore a variety of garage door designs, from modern to classic, tailored to suit your home's unique character. Our installation service showcases the perfect blend of durability and elegance, ensuring long-lasting satisfaction. Picture yourself admiring your new garage door, feeling a sense of pride and accomplishment. Whether you're boosting your home's curb appeal or enhancing functionality. Here at D&L, trust our 4.9 online ratings as we have the ideal solution for you. Just imagine your neighbors admiring your home's new look thanks to a stylish new garage door upgrade installed by us. But we must warn you first, with D&L Garage Doors, we'll make your neighbors jealous with your house curb appeal transformation that stands out the most in your neighborhood. It's very simple. Just contact us today and let us help you upgrade your home's curb appeal with a garage door that stands out. Our team is dedicated to always providing exceptional 5-star service and quality craftsmanship. From start to finish, we can help with anything garage-related. Call us today and experience what it's like working with the best local, most trusted garage door repair company for yourself.